Hello everyone, I'm Daya and I'm from Build with Innovation. In this video, let's learn how to get into feedback page and look at the feedback you got from the customers and all. So for that, from the side menu, get into the feedback page. So here it is. So this is the feedback page and these are the feedbacks I've gotten from the history of time. So the recent ones are at the top. So I'll just read out one feedback now. So here the user has said, "Hello, I'm Pratiksha. This website is very easy to do and it can be used by people of any age." So this is sent by Pratiksha Shukla and it was sent on April 19, 2021, 4:20 p.m. So we just have the date and time and the user's name and all that attached to one feedback. I'll just read one more. So here we have a user called Potu who says, "It's really nice app and UI is really good." So yeah, this is nothing but the feedback, and if you want to view this in detail, you just have to click the view details button, where a pop-up will be opened and the feedback will be displayed in a separate page. There might be some users who could add images to their feedbacks, and you can also view that by clicking the view details button. That's all about feedback. Thank you.